Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make a grilled fish. Here we have a fish that is 4 kilo. So let's see how we will make it and what we will need. We will need for 2 pieces of tomato, green sweet pepper, hot pepper horn if you want to add, garlic, lemon that is chopped and peeled. You can replace it with lemon juice, and parsley, onion, vegetable oils, vinegar, salt, coriander and cumin, pepper powder and turmeric. Now I will take all the vegetables and the vinegar and mix them together without the oil and the spices. I will mix them and come because the sound will make too much noise. And here I mix the vegetables with the vinegar. Now I will add 1 spoon of tomato sauce with the spices and the vegetable oil and mix them together and come again. Here we finish, and I will drop now all the mixture on the fish and make something like a massage to absorb all the mixture. People who have time, they can leave the fish for 1 or 2 hours to absorb all the mixture. People who have no time, they can cover the fish with foil paper and put it in the oven. It have to be in the highest degrees, working from above and below, and it will take only and half for a quarter. Okay, now I will leave my fish for 1 or 2 hours, then put it in the oven and come again. Here my fish finished, and I hope you tried because it's really tasty. You can make it on the lunch. The children will love it because it's also healthy. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, write your comment. Bye, see you soon at the next video.